Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss subtraction programming using Spring Boot application. In Spring Boot application, how to implement subtraction program. First, you can create the Spring Boot application. Go to Spring Starter Project. Here I will write subtraction. S-T-R-A-C-T-A-Y, subtraction. Here also I will write subtraction. This is the package, everything is okay. It is already exist. Okay, here you can write subtraction app. We'll write like this, subtraction app. Already is there here, that's why that is showing. I need to select Spring Web. This is only I need. Click this one also. Next, finish. Now application is creating. Hi friends, I'm requesting, could you please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like the my videos, and comment on my videos. If you need any information, if you need any implementations, or if you need any application development like Android application, web application, any type of application, could you please comment it below commented box, or you can contact to me. Now project is created. I will project is created now. So subtraction application is created. Now first I will create the module of this subtraction. Go to create the class here form dot model. I will create model here subtraction. Subtraction. Click finish. Model is created. Here I will write private string first value private string second value private string result. We created the three variables. We created the setter getter methods for this one. Select all. Here is setter getter method for all the values. Now we will create one constructor. Parameterized constructor. I need one parameter constructor. I will create that one with field constructor. Generate this one. This is the parameterized constructor. Now model is created. Now I will create services. Right click. Go to first create the interface. Form dot service. Here service subtraction service subtraction service. Created subtraction service. Here I need to create one method. Public subtraction. Return type is a subtraction. Public return type is a subtraction. Yes, subtract sub two values. Here I will use subtraction. I will use subtraction. I created one subtraction abstract class. Now I will create implementation class for this one. Create class. Subtraction service IMP implementation class. Here I need to implement this one. Subtraction service. Need to implement this one. Implemented method. Okay, I'll return this one. Now, what happened? Now, we need to convert into string values into the integer values. Int first value is equal to integer dot pass int subtraction dot get first value. Similarly, int second value equal to integer the dot pass int fraction dot get second value. Now int res is equal to first value, res is equal to 0. That means I need to check the which value is highest and which value is the lowest. If first value greater than second value, res is equal to first value minus second value. Else res is equal to second value minus first value. We need to change this one. Now we need to return this one. That purpose we are here. We need to use new subtraction constructor. I'm calling some constructor. Here subtraction dot get first value. Similarly, subtraction dot get second value. Here I will convert into integer to string. String dot value of res result. This is the returning. Now model is created. Service class also implemented. Next, go to the control class. Now create the control class. Right click here. Go to new. Create control class dot controller. Subtraction controller. Click finish. Click finish. Now I will write the REST template, REST controller. I get the REST controller and REST request mapping. Here request mapping, what need to do? Oh, subtraction app dot API. Written like this. Here I will write, first I will take AutoWay. In AutoWay, I will write private subtraction service. Subtraction service. Now I will create a post mapping. In post mapping, I will write subtraction. I will write method public response entity. I will write response entity. Here subtraction. Response entity update subtraction. Here sub two values. Request body. Need to write the request body. Need to write request body. Subtraction is equal to subtraction. Now return type as new response entity. New response entity. Bracket subtraction service dot sub two values. You need to pass subtraction. Comma HTTPS status. We need to check HTTPS status. Dot create. Semicolon finally. close another bracket. Why this is error is coming, you can check the interface. Model subtraction, this is also same. Here also same. Change method subtraction. That is the issue. Here we are taking subtraction is a different one. And this one no need. We can copy this one. We will copy this one and replace this one. Already is there. Copy this one. Better we can copy this one. Paste here. Here you can paste. Here also you can paste. Here also you can paste. See, no issue is resolved. No, everything is okay. Now you can run the server, Spring Boot server. What happened? Meanwhile, I will open Postman. Run as Spring Boot application. You can check the output of console. You can check what happened. Wait, what is the returning time? The Spring Boot server is starting. You can get any actions. No action profile yet. Field subtraction is com.subtraction controller required as a bean. Subtraction that could not be found. Why it is an issue, I will tell you. What is the problem of this one? You need to write at service. You need to write at service. Now again, you need to restart the server. It already running. Okay, this server already running. That's why this is getting error. Yeah, server is started. You can go here. You can create new one. Here you can write postman log http localhost 8080. You can go to controller class. You can select this one. You can select this one. You can paste here. Again, you can go here. You can select this one. Paste here. Now you can select body, raw type. This raw type we need to write. JSON values. Here, how to write JSON? Go to this one, copy this one, this value. You need to pass same values. Colon 30, comma. Again, go here. You can copy second one, double quotations, double quotations, 40. We'll do like this. Now we can run this one. Check what is the output of this one. See, result is getting 10. This way we can implement Spring Boot application. This is subtraction programming, very simple programming. We can easily understand also. This way we can implement the subtraction programming using Spring Boot. I will give here 4, 5, 6. Below I will give and run again. What is this one? See, output is coming. This way we can execute the applications. If you need more information about any Java technologies, Python, Android application implementation, could you please comment at the commented box? I'm requesting again and again, could you please support my YouTube channel and help me? We will meet next video.